I was going
got
to
some
say Bandai, but plastic is fine.
How about some Bandai plastic?
Well,
That's like
is it made from plastic?
Yes.
What? Plastic. Gunpla! Can I say that?
You can. What does Gunpla mean?
Gundam plastic kits.
That's it.
Is it?
Very well done.
Gundam plastic kits.
So this is the latest kit from the Witch from Mercury
Oh,
series.
is it?
Yeah.
I'm surprised we even have it to talk about. The Witch from Mercury stuff has gone bonkers.
So the aerials which first came out, we've gone through 3 shipments of those.
We're out of aerials again.
Yeah, they're gone. They're gone again.
I know the boys were getting hassled yesterday. Well, show us your aerial. I'm
Oh,
like,
really?
yeah.
Yeah, here it is.
That's
No, different kind of aerial. Well, this particular one is the Faract. Is that how you say it?
I'm not sure. I don't trust you at all.
On the top.
Faract.
Faract? What's it say in Japanese? Faract. Yeah, that'll do. You don't believe me, do you?
Oh, 14 plus.
What 14 plus? What are you talking about?
I can point at I can point at Japanese words and
pretend.
pretend too.
Ah, good on you.
That's right.
All right, what are we going to do? Oh, that's really colourful.
Well, it's not that colourful.
It's pretty colourful.
Actually, that grey is a very nice grey, isn't it?
Mm.
Almost silver.
Yeah,
I don't like
it's
it because it rustles.
quite gentle, isn't it? And there's all your dark coloured bits.
Gunmetal, charcoal.
Well, that you got the
Ooh, I love green laser beams.
beamy bits. Okay, so you got armor parts.
If you had a laser beam or a lightsaber, what color would it be?
The orange.
You like an orange one?
Yeah.
I like green.
You like green? Wonder why.
I'll remember that.
There's some lighter coloured parts, yeah.
Orange.
Sort of stealth looking, isn't it? Is it a heat?
I think it identifies as a Faract.
Oh, okay. So what have I got there? It's got all those clear bits. Are they included too? On the side of the box?
Well, I think that's on a base. I'm not sure that it comes with a base. I didn't see it come with a base.
What was it?
Uncle Gunpla will let me know.
It's got all these funny rat looking. What are they? Are they rockets? The writing is so small, I can't read that. Can you read that?
Yeah.
Can you? What's it say?
It says, I can't read it now. You're taking it away from me.
4 pairs of gun bit included. Can be displayed using 2 sets of the Witch from Mercury weapon display base sold separately. There you go.
Yeah, so it's got stuff to put on your display bases.
Right. We actually haven't got those display bases yet. They should be coming soon.
Really?
Yeah.
I bet they're going to be a massive hit.
There you go. He's got this big, massive gun.
Do they call it also action bases?
Yes,
They smash out the door, don't they?
they do. That looks a bit like one of those Browning massive sniper rifles.
But it's grey.
Yeah, they're great too.
Oh, that's a bit deceptive.
Is it? Oh, there you go. So there's
Is browning what you do to your pants when somebody fires one at you?
I think so.
Is that what happens?
I'm sure they'll be very brown.
Hey, kaboom!
What have we got here?
I'm not
So
sure.
this is the pilot.
Yep.
Was it Aaron who? I still can't read it.
Which one? This
Oh, there you go.
this top
Ellen.
pilot backed by Peel Technology, one of the group's 3 benches. A 3rd-year student in the piloting department and head of the Pelly House. Ilan is taciturn and solitary person who doesn't open her heart to anyone in school.
Must be cold, isn't it?
Mm.
Oh well.
He's interested in Sluter.
Sluter.
Do you know what that is?
Soletta.
Soleta?
Oh, that's the other character.
Is it?
Yeah. So we do have the character figures. So it's really interesting. So this really popular series has come out with the mechs and the figurine kits at the same time. And they proved to be really popular. That's cool. So that's Gundam Faract.
I still think you're swearing at me.
Not intentionally.
Is there more Gundam? Is that it?
Oh, it's not Gundam. I've got some Digimon. And I know absolutely nothing about this one.
I know
pretty funky.
everything about Digimon.
It's got a long tail.
My good friend and colleague Jeff has educated me on Digimon.
Really? So
No.
what?
I know
No,
nothing about it.
I don't know.
Absolutely nothing.
No idea.
Beelzemon.
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 So what's Beelzemon? Is that like
I have no idea.
Beelzebub? Is he meant to be a bit
Beelzemon.
evil looking?
I don't know. It looks like a baddie.
It looks like a baddie.
Did it? what gives you that impression? It's funny, isn't it? The artist impression makes us think he's a baddie. It's like the dark background and
It could be the masked
Shadows.
face. I don't know.
oh,
Face doesn't look very happy, does it? It was a
I
goodie,
wouldn't
he'll be a happy face.
would he?
Isn't that
A
the-
smiley.
Yeah.
He's got an angry tail as well. His tail looks like it would do you
so
lots of
he's
harm.
spearheaded.
Yeah, he doesn't have like a. If he was like a friendly one, I think he would have like a tennis ball or something on there,
Mm. This was amplified.
or a Pikachu.
Let's have a look from the top. What we got there?
Well, it's the same thing. You know
He's
exactly
pretty,
what
he's
it
pretty
is.
slim, isn't he? He's got
Slender
his-
Man,
Oh, look at all the bits.
little bits.
He's got claws, yeah? Some claws here in the grey. Got some
Well,
brown parts,
He has
which will
claws
be...
for fingers. He lost his fingers in the last episode when
Oh,
the
really?
witch took them.
So he's got some brown parts here, which will probably be for the belts. Some light-coloured bits there. What's that? That's for his cloak.
Cloak and dagger.
Yeah, got a bit of the cloak there. Got
Bit
some
of gold.
stickers,
I love a bit of gold bling.
dark bits. Yeah, the red's really full on, isn't it? Look at the moulding on that.
Brilliant red.
Full slide moulded. Sort of one piece with the bow on it.
Perfect.
So that goes around his arm. And then some more coloured bits. Oh, that'll be the hair. Spiky hair.
Is it even called hair?
I don't know. Spikes? Spiky bits.
I don't know that a mech can grow hair.
I don't think it was grown. I think it was just
Mate,
glued on. Pretty impressive, isn't it?
I'm
There's
impressed.
There's a what's that? There's a
That's an antenna.
soft little.
That's probably
Vinyl
for,
bit.
it's probably for his tail.
Oh, it could be. There we go. So that is Bezelmon. They're in. And then there's a whole heap of SDs as well. There's so many I couldn't bring any in. There's just too many.
SDs.
Yeah. So there's the short, sort of, what do you call it? Comical looking ones? Sort of squash, short arms, big
I
hair.
would say they're comical looking ones,
Yeah.
but really they're all from comic books, aren't they? So is that
I don't know. It's just a term that we understand.